guys, we are here at Amicalola Falls in Dawsonville, Georgia. We drove about an hour up from Atlanta to get here, and we are pretty submerged in nature. I'm digging it. Didn't really get a map, so we're kind of winging it off what we
That's okay.
It's fine, it's fine. Who needs maps, right? It's our first time here. We paid $5 to get in. They also sell an annual pass for $50, but I don't really think we're gonna be making this hour drive 10 times in 1 year, so we are currently hiking to the base of the falls because I really wanted to see a waterfall. Did you want to see a waterfall?
I wanted to see some waterfalls.
I haven't seen a waterfall in forever, and so many people told me about this place, and I was like, all right, guess I gotta check it out, so let's do this.
So far we've gotten a bug in our eye and we've tripped.
We've only been walking for a solid 3.5 minutes. But we did spray ourselves with bug spray. Oh my god, there's one in my eye too! Dude! We can't spray our eyes with bug spray. So they found a loophole, those. It's fine. Patent pending. We're getting
Bug repellent contact lenses.
Right? I feel like that's a really good, innovative idea. It's something that people need in their lives when bugs like to fly in them all the time. Coming soon. $300 a pair.
Pop.
$300 per contact.
Yeah.
Now we're rich. Hey, what do you think lives under that bridge over there?
I don't know, gremlins and goblins and ghouls or some shit.
Oh my. It looks like we can't go under that bridge actually because there's water pouring out from under it. Yeah, there's like a little spot we could walk, I guess. Until you get to the
or we could just take the stairs
Well, that's no fun, Jess. I guess we'll take the stairs because Jess doesn't feel like getting wet today. But we got a waterproof GoPro, so you know, we could if we wanted to. What part were you looking forward to, babe?
The downhill part.
We literally started walking uphill for like 10 seconds. She's like, nope. It's okay. She's gonna kill it the whole way up, right, babe? I didn't hear an answer. How's it going?
I'm good. I'm just out of shape a little bit, but I'm gonna do it.
I believe in you so hard.
Thanks for your optimism. I appreciate it.
I think we only have like 130 left. Come on, babe. I believe in you.
Hi.
And we've reached the first stopping point. There's still probably like another 120 stairs.
Your good friend Jess. I'm super sweaty and people are staring, so I have anxiety. Okay, the people are gone. Less anxiety, still super sweaty, but still cute, so those are the people.
Okay, so I thought it was 175 steps to the top, but I guess it was just 175 steps right there, and now we got another 425 steps to the top. See, this difficulty right here says strenuous, and so did the other one, but I feel like 425 steps is a lot more strenuous than 175 steps, right?
Yeah.
So that should have been like strenuous, or difficulty medium, and then this one be difficulty strenuous. Are you ready for another 425 steps though?
No.
But we're gonna do it anyway.
It's gonna be worth it.
So it's the next day, and Jess is almost here. Slowly but surely. Only like 400 more steps to go. You were almost out of view for a second. Get it, get it, get it, get it! Rocky Balboa up here! Hey! She only did that because she was on camera. If she wasn't on camera, she would have crawled up those stairs.
Take a break.
So there's this thing on my back, dragging me down,
It's me.
making it a lot harder to make it up these stairs. Bae,
Yes. What are you gonna do about it?
how much longer do you think we got? It's okay. We're only extremely sweaty, and hey, at least it's in the shade. What if this whole thing was just in the sun?
Okay, yeah, fair point. Fair
Exactly, that's what I thought. We made it to the top!
Point. Made it.
Jess is still alive, so
Yeah.
that's good. He almost didn't make it, but you know,
It was worth it.
it was only like 600 fares total, right?
Yeah.
If you do the math, it's like 600.
It's good though. Honestly, it was worth it.
Completely worth it.
I complained a lot, but
We could stare at this view for hours. Those mountains are beautiful, and don't worry, we're gonna hike every single one of them. Right?
yeah. Right.
We'll get there.
It's beautiful.
Time to go back down. How do you eat your, what are those?
They're just Nutri-Green bars. What you do, you take them and you kind of put them one on top of the other. And it's like, little bar.
Hey babe, do you want to clean your boots real quick?
Yeah. Thankfully there's this convenient boot cleaning device. Look, brand sparkly new.
So we made it back down Amicalola Falls. Are we pronouncing it correctly now? Amicalola.
Amicalola. Yeah,
Amicalola
Falls.
Yeah, we just made it back to our car. That was a very strenuous hike, but it was a lot of fun. Our legs are shaking a little bit, and you know what? There was a lot of daddy long legs. Like, I don't think I've seen that many daddy long legs since I like lived in New York and like since I was a child.
It was kind of scary.
Yeah, they were everywhere and they run really fast, but it's okay because we made it back down alive. And now we're gonna drive an hour back down south. Thanks for spending the day with us. We'll catch you next time.
Amicalola.
Amicalola. We're here at Amicalola Falls in
Dawsonville.
Dawsonville. Right?
We're in the south.
All right, we're here. Round three.